We want to make a contribution in making the world a little smarter, a little cleaner, and a little safer. We deploy bearings in particular, from very small bearings with 1 millimeter to 2 millimeters diameter to the very large bearings that are used in wind turbines. In the automotive business, here we have the full spectrum from bearings within the chassis to complex transmissions up to e-axles and hybrid modules that are used in hybrid technology or in electric vehicles.
Industry 4.0 is not digitization or digitalization of mechanical industry, because this is already there. Industry 4.0 is getting the data, real-time information structure in this supply and manufacturing chain.
Our bearing of the future will be a digital-enabled sensor, in addition to the bearing standard functionalities, being part of the Internet of Things and being part of our value generation, which links bearings with more complex systems, with electronics, embedded software, as well as with additional services.
If we use IoT, if we combine this, if we use this data in a different way, we can be more flexible. So we can adapt faster, make decisions if something unforeseen happens, even in the cloud, even with cognitive systems.
We understand a lot more. We are able to build the models describing reality in the digital in a much more precise way, and allows us then to take actions on that in a way which was not known to up to now.
We created a so-called tooling machine 4.0 together with partners, and this machine has a lot of bearings where we installed sensors to measure torque, to measure temperature, measure speed. So this is important for our own efficiency, for our own improvement, flexibility. We can transfer this on a railway system. So we can check the bearing and the chassis behavior of a high-speed train. We can get in, measure when the situation gets critical for safety reasons.
We think highly about delivering customer value, and therefore we will embrace this opportunity and do it in a sustainable manner to the benefit of our customers. We are trying to embrace the whole idea of digitalization in a very holistic manner within the company by our Digital Agenda 2020 that we run systematically across the company. I believe we are complementary with IBM in that respect. We think that a true partnership between Schaeffler and IBM will guide us into the digital age and help us to shape the mobility for tomorrow.